Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. Today I'm going to show you a neat little trick on how to change the logo on the command unit of your Mercedes-Benz W211 E-Class. So let's turn the car on and see what the logo is originally. I'm gonna put the key in ignition, rotate and start the car, and you can see the logo. Let's turn it on. You can see the logo is the original Mercedes-Benz logo on the command unit. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut the car back off. We're gonna put the key, take the key out, put the key into position number 1. See, the logo appears again. What we're going to do is go into service, display, and then hold the buttons. The sequence is important, so first 5, 3 and then 9. In just a second the logo changing menu will appear. Now, disclaimer: only use the model of your car. If you choose any other model, you may break your head unit. So here it is. We are at W211 US. We're just gonna go and scroll down, and we're gonna choose the AMG W211 USA. Also, I believe the region is also important, so don't select the European one, select the USA if you're in USA. If you're in Europe, select the European one. We're gonna select it. It's indicated it's selected. We're gonna press back and we're gonna turn the key off. Lock the car. I'm not sure if that is actually a necessary procedure, but we're gonna leave it for a minute, and in 1 minute, so 1 minute has already passed, we're gonna unlock the car, put the key back in ignition and rotate, and there we go. The AMG logo was on. I'll just turn it on one more time. Yeah! So I know this modification has no performance value whatsoever, but it looks really neat, and I like the little AMG logo on the head unit every time I start the car. Of course, it's not an AMG car, but it makes me feel good. If you like this little video, hit the thumbs up. You know, I'm trying to exhaust all the quirks and features of this Mercedes W211 E-Class before it goes to a different owner. So until next time, if you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you later.